When it comes to selecting cookware for your kitchen, quality, functionality, and durability are the top priorities. This T-Fal signature non-stick cookware set hits the mark on all fronts, offering a comprehensive solution for home chefs who value convenience, performance, and style. This 12-piece set, complete with innovative features like the Thermo-Spot Technology and ProGlide non-stick interior, is designed to simplify cooking while delivering exceptional results. Whether you're an experienced cook or just starting your culinary journey, this cookware set ensures you have the right tools for every recipe. Unboxing the T-Fal Signature Non-Stick Cookware Set. The T-Fal Signature Non-Stick Cookware Set includes 12 essential pieces. 2 fry pans, 7.75-inch and 11-inch. 1 griddle, 10.25-inch. 2 saucepans with lids, 1 quart and 2 quart. 1 Dutch oven with lid, 5.5 quart. 3 utensils, a spoon, a ladle, and a slotted spatula. This set covers a wide range of cooking needs, from frying and sautéing to simmering and baking, making it the perfect all-in-one solution for any kitchen. Why choose T-Fal Signature Non-Stick Cookware? Number 1. ProGlide Non-Stick Interior, cooking made effortless. The non-stick interior is a standout feature, offering easy food release and hassle-free cleanup. With the ability to cook with little to no oil, you can prepare healthier meals without sacrificing flavor or texture. Say goodbye to stubborn, stuck-on food and enjoy a seamless cooking experience. Number 2. Thermo-Spot Technology, perfect heat, every time. One of T-Fal's most innovative features is its Thermo-Spot heat indicator. The red circle in the center of the pan turns solid when it's perfectly preheated, ensuring optimal cooking conditions. This technology helps you achieve even searing, browning, and simmering, elevating your dishes to professional quality results. Number 3. Durable aluminum construction, built to last. The heavy-gauge aluminum construction ensures quick and even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots that can ruin a dish. The sturdy build not only provides long-lasting strength, but also guarantees reliable performance for years to come. Number 4. Comfortable and ergonomic design. Cooking can be a tiring process, but the T-Fal Signature Set is designed with your comfort in mind. The ergonomically designed handles are heat-resistant, providing a secure and comfortable grip. Vented tempered glass lids allow you to monitor your cooking progress while trapping in heat and moisture for flavorful results. Performance in the kitchen. Versatility. The T-Fal Signature Non-Stick Cookware Set is compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and halogen cooktops. While it isn't induction-friendly, it's oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, adding to its versatility. From stovetop recipes to oven-baked dishes, this set adapts seamlessly to your culinary needs. Convenience. Meal preparation becomes a breeze with the dishwasher-safe feature. Spend less time scrubbing pots and pans and more time enjoying your creations. The non-stick surface ensures that even the stickiest sauces slide right off, making cleanup quick and painless. Key benefits of the T-Fal Signature Non-Stick Cookware Set. 1. Healthier cooking. Non-stick interior allows for minimal use of oil or butter. 2. Reliable performance. Even heat distribution ensures consistent cooking results. 3. User-friendly design. Ergonomic handles and vented lids enhance the cooking experience. 4. Easy maintenance. Dishwasher safe and effortless to clean. 5. Stylish addition. Sleek black finish complements any kitchen decor. Who is this cookware set for? This set is ideal for home cooks looking for a reliable and versatile cookware set, beginners who need an all-in-one solution for their kitchen, health-conscious individuals aiming to cook with minimal oil, busy families who value convenience and quick cleanup. What makes it stand out? Thermo-Spot Technology helps you achieve perfect cooking temperatures. Non-stick surface makes both cooking and cleanup a breeze. Wide range of pieces covers all your cooking needs in one set. Durable construction, designed to withstand everyday use. Affordable price, offers premium features without breaking the bank. Conclusion. This T-Fal Signature Non-Stick Cookware Set is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience. With its ProGlide non-stick interior, innovative Thermo-Spot technology, and durable aluminum construction, this cookware set delivers exceptional value. Its user-friendly features and versatile design make it a reliable choice for any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting, this set will inspire you to create delicious meals with ease and confidence. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.